some bully beef and rice. If you're interested in this one, come let's make it together. I'm using onion, tomato, scallion, thyme, and a piece of pepper. To our pan, I'm gonna add a little cooking oil along with butter. Once we have the oil heated, we're gonna add our vegetable. I'm going with a little white pepper. So now I'm going some rice. Now this will go in with some water. I'm gonna add a little adobo. You can add a little salt, not too much because the bully beef have a little salt already. So I'll cover this, turn it on low, and allow it to steam. Alright, so let's go check on the rice. Alright, I'll cover like this. Make it steam a little more. Alright, let's see. Okay, this is it. Turn off the stove.